Hey all, today we'll guide you through the process of registering on Roombr by accepting an invitation email sent by the admin. Let's get started. First, keep an eye on your inbox. Once the admin has added you as a student to the institute, you'll receive an email from Roombr. Click on the invitation email from Roombr. Click on the Get Started button. You'll be redirected to a page where you'll need to set a password for your Roombr account. Choose a strong password that you'll remember easily. Once you've set your password, you're all set to log into your Roombr account. Use your email address and the password you just created to access your account. If you've already registered on Roombr using the same email address, simply click on the invitation email. You'll be able to view the new Roombr account when you log in.